Hello guys, this is EIP, your favorite YouTube analyst, and today I will be reviewing a professional trader, so-called, who I'm 100% sure is not a trader even, just making videos. And this is the guy, and I know this guy because his videos are total nonsense, and he has a knack of always shorting at the wrong time and longing at the wrong time. And today was exactly the same day, and we will review his analysis that today he was
with Jacob.
So today,
Invest with Jacob. The market consolidates as it takes a break between catalysts. Are the bulls still in control? This is Invest with Jacob. I highly encourage you to start for the S&P 500. As you can see, they consolidated most of the day's time. So as of right, they're looking for a pullback. Back here, I said I would. Now
yeah.
the bears.
So this
CPI catalyst.
Look at this guy. This guy was looking for one more up, and totally nonsense analysis, which you can see over here by him. And look at this. This is Nasdaq, and look what he's making. Random lines, totally random lines. Now, if you are a trader, and most of the people, they do not have the ability to trade two directions. So if you will see this, if you would have seen his video yesterday, it would have surely messed up your mind. And today, when futures went up, went down, and then when did like this, you would be hoping for this. And when it got you like this, you would have been caught off guard, because over here you were expecting the fourth wave up, and now what do you get? You are getting break of the support. So this would have messed up your psychology and your conviction and everything totally, 180 degree. And also, when you see A, B, C, so it's whenever you see A, B, C, a setup like this, so the tendency of increasing the position is very high, because you are expecting at least equal leg or 1.618, like this idiot is making. And so you would increase the position on this long. But what do you get? You get this. So this is what happens. And this is Nasdaq, and in S&P 500, it was even more hilarious, as this guy was, looking to break the top of this wave, only to see it fall and fall and fall. Anyway, so this was the Joker number 1, which I wanted to share. Now I will share Joker number 2, which is not as hilarious as this guy, but equally idiotic. One moment. So this is a guy, and he claims to be an award-winning trader and market timer, but that is totally nonsense, because I think I'm pretty good at timing the market myself, and I know I've been his member, and he has been horrendous. And last week I made a video where he was shorting the bottom, and today I will show you his latest video where he was longing the top. One moment. Totally atrocious calls he makes. But the most absurd thing is when these guys ask you to long the top, which is, unacceptable in my books. Yeah. So this is the analysis of this guy. Here he is asking you to that ES was this S&P 500 ES was making a 4, and he was looking for 5th with targets of these. But what did we get? We got this. And he's supposed to be in the market for like 25 years or maybe 30 years. And this guy cannot even decipher this thing. So this is the Joker number 2, which I just wanted to share. And he's the same guy who was shorting over here. He's the same guy. I made a video last week when he was shorting over here, and now he's longing over here, only to get this. And now he will, totally ignore his call and make another video in coming days. Totally forget about what he made over here, and then he will make another random drawing and then ask you to watch it. So the point is, the reason why I'm making this video is because few of my group members, they watch nonsense videos like these, and when they come into my group in my trading room, so their mind is not right, their mind is affected, their mind is not at the right place. So they end up not taking the shot, but trying to counter trade me, and they end up not only losing the money, but in fact you know creating a lot of disturbance. So it is very important that you know how to filter out the nonsense or the junk which is there on the internet. And 99% of the analysis on internet is incorrect. All of these guys on Twitter and YouTube, they are just copying pasting each other. In fact, I know one guy and one group who started even copy pasting my analysis. Like I used to make videos where where I used to pre-warn you guys about the moves which are coming. So this guy started copying my calls. I'm not saying I'm a good trader, but I'm just telling you because I also joined his group. His group was a free group, so I joined his group because he was one of my subscriber also, and he also messaged me one time. So kind of dragged him, and once I was inside his group, I saw him giving the same calls. And once I stopped making the calls which I used to make beforehand, his group is now in tatters because he has got no clue. And he was shorting last week and yesterday and today he was longing. So this is the thing which is going on. Now I will tell you one more thing before I wrap up. So I've got around 30 members in my group, and this is how I just told when the market was over here, I told them that we are going to decline from here, and there was no doubt in my mind, and it ultimately declined. So there's nothing. The group was so peaceful over here. Contrast this to the panic which other people had to endure when instead of this, they got this. And uh, just imagine the psychological scar and damage they had to endure. So if you want to join my group, the link is in the comment section. I'm not the perfect trader, but I think I'm one of the best which is out there in the market. So I would see you inside my group. And today was a day when lots of people got exposed. Okay, bye-bye. Please give my video a like if you find anything useful in my content. Okay, bye-bye.